Greetings to all my teachers and fellow students. As you all know that today we are here to celebrate Mahatma Gandhi's 151st birth anniversary. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, popularly known as Mahatma Gandhi, was born on 2nd October 1869 to Putli Bai Gandhi and Karamchand Gandhi in Gujarat's small city Porbandar. After completing the early education, he went to London for higher studies. Mahatma Gandhi completed his law degree from England and returned to India in 1891. After being unable to start a successful law practice in India, Mahatma Gandhi moved to South Africa in 1893 to represent an Indian merchant in a lawsuit. He went on to stay for 21 years in South Africa and returned to India in 1915. After coming back to India, he started organizing peasants, farmers, and urban laborers to protest against excessive land tax and discrimination by British government. In 1921, he formed Indian National Congress and led nationwide campaigns for easing poverty, expanding women's rights, building religious and ethnic amity, ending untouchability, and above all, for achieving Swaraj or self-rule. Gandhi led Indians in challenging the British imposed salt tax with the 400 kilometers Dandi Salt March in 1930, and later in calling for British to quit India movement in 1942. During the 1947 partition of India-Pakistan, Gandhiji helped many displaced Hindus, Muslims and Sikhs. Some people thought Gandhiji was too accommodating. Among them was Nathuram Godse, who assassinated Gandhi on 30th January 1948 by firing 3 bullets into his chest. The lifestyle of Gandhiji was very simple. He ate simple vegetarian food and undertook long fasts as a means of self-purification and political protests. He taught lessons of ahimsa, that is, non-violence, to many people across the world. Thank you everyone and happy Gandhi Jayanti.